VEEE. This is Twin V Power Cats. So we make jokes about the old show Thundercats here. Looks like this is moving on a catalyst here. Twin V Power Cats inks a merger agreement to combine its boating operations with US FM's subsidiary in Greenland. Financial terms not disclosed, and combined entity anticipated to list on the NYSE. Okay, so this was this resumed. This was halted for news pending. That's the news. Now it's resumed, up 82% here. Quick peek at the short interest on this one. 1.36% of the float shorted, 1 day to cover. The one thing that I would mention here, with no terms being disclosed, something to watch, but there's no terms disclosed there, so there's more information coming. I show a float here of less than $1 million. 13, what do you think on VEEE?
So a subsidiary of US FM Corporation, it's a developer of strategic mineral interests in Greenland, and that's particularly interesting given that there's been a lot of talk around.
Yeah, I think it just started up again. You're right.
Maybe this merger is going to be, an earlier deal than what Trump's trying to do. But no, I think this is interesting. I don't have any other, information beyond that. I'd have to read through some of this, but I think this is pretty interesting here. I don't know what the Power Cats angle is, but this is on the move. So let's take a look for some levels here if we want to spend some time on this one. Let's see here. So we are at $10, and this is okay. So we are at, it looks like 1150 could be the big resistance area if we don't get it here at 10. There's this 980 to 10 area. There's some resistance, but if you look on a daily chart, you can see that 1150 was formerly a support area that was lost, and now it's resistance. Let me see if I get this on chart here. Okay, so yeah, if you look on a daily chart, it looks a little different on a daily chart. It looks like 1225 is the level instead. But anyway, yeah, I guess 1225 is, or 12 is basically the level here on this chart. But it's coming up to resistance area. I guess for using these two charts, my brokers and pros, we're going to lean on somewhere between 1150 and 12 as resistance. That's what I would say here. Okay. Just, off the hip.
Yeah, no, that's good. And I do have a fair value gap on here, but it is a long ways away. Top end of that is about 625, 623. So this is a long way away. This thing's continuing to run away from this. Jay saying when V drops, it's going to be ugly. Jay, yeah. We've watched this one before, right? Like we've traded this one before. I think we've seen that kind of behavior out of this stock. So just know what to expect. I personally, 13, I appreciate the upside targets there, but I would not chase this one. I would wait for this to pull back and try to form some type of intraday support level. Maybe it does firm up at 8.5, which is right where the VWAP is if it pulls back.
Let's see if we get this 1150 to 12 print. Just based off the two levels there on the charts I looked at. I mean, I want to see that rejection, but I'm not taking a position in this. not right now.
Okay.